Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got a new trampoline. As you can see, I'm just going to be doing some cool flips on it. And these are brand new springs and they're already really bouncy. Look! Way bouncier than my old one, guys. Look at this! There you go. Also guys, there is an extra feature under here. There. Get onto the cardboard. Right now guys, I'm underneath it. And yeah. If you're confused, basically I have got a light here which lights up when you touch it, so you're bouncing and it will light up. I'll show you what I mean. Guys, it's kind of hard to get out of there and in, but basically it's like it's a normal light like that. Trampoline that's normal, you bounce and then it turns on basically, guys. Like, guys, this is so fun. I'm going to film something for you guys. Here you go. When I get my other camera, it'll be a lot easier to do this. You know what I mean? A lot easier. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. I'm going to sit down in the car, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.